_latch the always latch procedural block is used to indicate that the intent of the procedural block is to model latched-based logic. A latch is a sequential circuit with storage element in it, but without a clock signal. The _latch infers its sensitivity list, just like _comb, and follows the same semantic rules as well. What makes the always latch different from the always comb is that software tools can determine that the designer's intent is to model latched logic, and perform different checks on the code within the procedural block than the checks that would be performed for combinational logic. For example, with latched logic, the variables representing the outputs of the procedural block do not need to be set for all possible input conditions. In this example, a software tool could produce an error or warning if _comb had been used instead of _latch, because the if statement without a matching else branch infers storage, which the combinational logic does not have. By specifying _latch, software tools know that the designer's intent is to have storage in the logic of the design. Here is an example that shows the requirement of a latch in a circuit. It is a 4-bit counter that counts from 0 to 15. An input named ready controls when the counter starts counting. Assume that the specification is, the ready input is only high for a brief time. Therefore, when ready goes high, the circuit should latch it. Here it is latched to an internal enable signal using the _latch keyword. The latch holds the internal enable high until the counter reaches a full count of maximum value, and then clears the enable, preventing the counter from running again until the next time the ready input goes high.